Peace, salutations. My name is Michael J. Turner. I am the Southwest Shaman, and you are shining with the Arizona sun. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here, which is wherever you're at. Coming with love from AZ. This is Stereo Fix 888. Check it out. This channel is about personal development. Can't save you. I can only share with you how I'm saving myself. And this is another installment of what I like to call the Thin to Win Bruce Lee Karate Body Workout. Because you know what? I got to represent. And I have an at-home workout set up. And I'm about to just give it to you like this so you can start to see my progress, you know what I'm saying? See what's under the hood a little bit, you know what I'm saying? We out here. There's some progress here, but there's work that needs to be done. So we own it like gin and tonic. Let's get it. I don't know, man. I like to. How about this? Let's start out with 50 in the clip. 50 in the clip. Get big, get big. That's a Dead Prez song. And you know, we'll do from the side view so you can just see the form of it, I suppose. I don't even know, yo. I'm gonna know music today. We're just gonna rock with that. And see, look at, isn't it beautiful? I could just come out here, you know, and whatever. I got my sandals on, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to wear a shirt. It's my house. It's my backyard. 50 in the clip. Let's go. You know what? You need a different view for this. So we'll count them out. Starting out with 50. Right? 50 in the clip. Get big. And my battery's getting low. It's okay though. One, two, three. Alright. Just to break it in, right? See, I'm a little wobbly because, you know, I ain't been super consistent like I should have been. Or whatever. You know, that's have to push it periodically. So, as I feel the power surging in, you'll notice that I did them at a certain rate, and then at the end there, I got the full extensions to make those last 10 count. But with push-ups, like setting certain milestones, like, you know, 20, 25, start doing 25s. Don't just do the 20s. Get those extra 25s, right? And then once you get to 50, you realize that once you can do 50 in a set, you realize, yo, I could probably do 60. Basically, the most I've done is 110, and people do way more than that. But like for me, to be able to do 100 push-ups straight is like, I'm there, I'm strong, it's a good gauge, similar to this thing, which I'll do next, which is my upside down. You can see my heart. That's why it's a thin to win. All right, now. Give myself a little rest after that. We're gonna do this next. This is an upside down press. So it's a shoulder workout and core, you know. It takes a lot. But this is my other gauge, you know, of my strength right now. Now just go down slow. See, it's a tricep thing as well. But going down slow and getting that negative in any type of workout, any type of movement. So let's see, what else, man? For my little morning, just the energy building. I just build energy out here, that's all I'm doing. To wrap this up, I'm gonna do some pulls. And I have it set up where I can spot myself. See, right here. I don't have that much battery on my phone. Put knees forward, so my knees are hanging on. This simulates the same way someone would spot you if they were holding their feet from behind. I'm gonna try to get the view from the other side as well, just because, you know, I put in work on my back, on my lats. Let's see if this will work. Hit it from about right here. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. We go for 20 more. Let's go, y'all. Shit, man. You boy. You boy. There it is, y'all. Motivation, inspiration, and information to get you rocking and shining with the Arizona sun. You know what I'm saying? Peace. Love yourself, love each other, y'all. And like and subscribe.